My name is Haley Dean. I am teaching at a school in Lehigh at an elementary. I previously taught fourth grade, and after having my baby, I moved over to computer specialties, and I love it. I am on my fifth year teaching, and I love it. Love the kids. I loved using technology, and so becoming the computer specialist was a really good fit for me. Um, I wake up every morning at 4:30 to teach kids over in China, and that's why I have my headphones and a sign saying my name. I teach kids over in China. I teach them English. So I do that every morning and then head off to computer specialty. I have 5 girls, and we've got twin 14-year-olds, a 10-year-old, a 2-year-old, 2.5-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So those are my 5 kids. I am excited to use this course and to be able to find out what other technologies I can use. That's it about me.